Good evening, guys. This is a general tutorial. My name is Celestine. On today's video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to solve numerical integration using Simpson's rule. Now, this example 1 says that we are asked to use the Simpson's rule with 7 ordinates to estimate the area of the region bounded by the curve minus x squared plus 6x plus 2. Now, given that the line is at x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and x is equal to 6. This means that from x equal to 0 to x equals to what? 6. Okay, so now solution. Note that this is the equation they gave us, right? So note that minus x squared plus 6x plus 2 is something is equal to 0 and also is equal to y. So therefore minus x squared plus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0, and also minus x squared plus 6x plus 2 is also equal to what? Y. Now therefore its integral representation is integral of from x equal to 0 to x equal to 6, right? So from x equal to 0 means that this 0 here is the lower limit of x, and 6 here is the upper limit of x. That is integral from 0 to 6. Now write down your equation. So therefore now number of intervals from 0 to 6 is I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now therefore to find the number of intervals, how many numbers are here? We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 numbers here. Since that 7 number here, always minus 1 from it. So you have that 7 minus 1 will give you 6. Now therefore how many intervals will be here? Is 6 intervals. Okay, so there are 6 intervals in this equation. Now after doing that, we say that therefore from the equation we have that y is equal to minus x squared plus 6x plus 2, right? Now we see, okay, we say that when x is 0, when x is 0, what will be y? Y will be equal to equate the value of x in this equation. If you equate it, that is 0 minus bracket 0 all squared plus 6 brackets 0 plus 2. So everything will give you 2. Also, when x is equal to 1, equate the value of y in this equation. So you have that y is equal to minus 1 bracket x is 1 squared plus 6 bracket x is 1 plus or 2. Sum of everything here will give you what? 7. Also, when x is 2, you apply the same thing. That will give you what? 10. Okay, that will give you what? 10. Now what next? The same thing, you apply the same thing. When x is 3, y is equal to minus brackets x is 3 all squared plus 6 bracket x is 3 plus 2. So sum of everything will give 11. Also when x is 4, put the same thing, that will give you 10. When x is 5, do the same thing, that will give you 7. And also when x is 6, put the same thing, do the same thing, that will give you what? 2. Now therefore drawing the table is, I have that table is what? I have that from x, this is x. So you have that everything here are all x, everything here are all y. So I have that. Now we have that from x is ranges from what? From 0 to 6, right? So you have that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what are the values of y? So when x was 0, what do we get at the value for y? We have that when x was 0, y was what? Was 2. So that is the same thing we are doing here. So we have when x is 1, y is 7, and also when x is 2, y is 10. When x is 3, y is 11. When x is 4, y is 10. When x is 5, y is 7, and when x is 6, y is what? Is 2. Okay, now therefore what next? To find the value of x. Now this x, so to find the value of x is equal to change in integral limit in times of x over number of intervals. So we have the equal to, now the change in integral limit of x are what? The change of integral limit of x is what? Upper limit minus lower limit. So that is 6 minus 0. So that is what? 6 minus 0 all over number of intervals was what? 6. So 6 minus 0 will give you what? 6 over 6. 6 cancel out here will give you what? 1. Therefore x is equal to what? 1. Now after doing that, apply the Simpson's rule. The Simpson's rule say that a is equal to x over 3 brackets f plus l plus 4e plus 2r, where a is a what? where A is the area, E is the even number, E is the even numbers, E are all even numbers, and F is the first term, L is the last term, and R are all odd numbers, all odd numbers. Okay, so what next? Now let's find the value of F plus L, where F is the first term, L is the what? Last term. So F is the first term. The first term here is what? The first time is in y is that is you don't take in y's. The first time in y is 2 and the last time is what is 2. That is 2 plus 2 give you what? 4. Now after doing that, what what are the sum of all even numbers? Now the sum of all even numbers here are what? For even numbers we count, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. So therefore now we have 1, 2, this is 2 is an even number, right? 3, 4, 4 is an even number, 5, 6, 6 is an even number. So we sum it, that is 7 plus 11 plus 7. Okay, that is 7 plus 11 plus 7, that will give 25. Now remember it is 4e from the formula. So 4 times 25 will give what? 100. So let's find the value for all sum of all odd numbers. So I know that in finding odd numbers, you don't consider the first, you don't consider the first and the what and the last term. Always know that you don't consider the first and the last term while finding odd numbers. So therefore you only consider the rest number. So I have 1, 2, 3. 3 is an odd number. 4, 5. 5 is an odd number. So that is all. That is 10 plus 10. So that is this. We have 10 plus 10, which is 20. Then what will be from the equation? We have 2r. So that is 2 times r, which is 2 times 20 is 40. Now record that the value for x, our x value is 1. So therefore record that the value for x is equal to 1. So put all these values in the word equation. So in the equation we say that a is equal to s over 3 bracket f plus l plus 4e plus 2r. So which is equal to what? X value is 1 over 3 brackets. Sum of first and the last term is 4. Then plus what? 4e is what? 100. The value for 2r was what? 40. So that becomes 1 over 3 brackets. Sum of everything will give me 144. So therefore 1 divided by 3 will give me what? 0.3333 times 144. So that becomes this multiplied by this will give you what? 47.9952. That is the final word answer. Very, very simple. Please guys, if you find this video interesting and helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And also if you have any problem based on this, please drop your question on the comment section. Thank you.